The Tools tab allows you to record and journal trades and observations with thinkLog, watch news clips on videos, and share trade analysis with other investors. Let's take a look at these tools. So beginning here on the home screen, we're going to navigate straight to the Tools tab, and we're going to see immediately three sub-tabs: thinkLog, videos, and shared items. So we're going to start on the thinkLog. thinkLog is a searchable journal that allows you to record your trades and the reasons or observations that prompted that trade. So for an example, let's create an entry by clicking the plus sign over in the far right corner. And we just need to give this a title that's meaningful to us regarding the trade that we just placed. So let's say we just purchased a long stock. And maybe we had technical reasons for entry and we had fundamental reasons for entry. So let's say we had a technical buy signal and the stock was showing fundamental strength. Obviously, the label in the description I'm using here is just for example purposes only, and you might want to add anything that you want to recall quickly when you review these notes in the future. So let's click Save, and now you can see here in our thinkLog, here are our notes: title long stock, technical buy signal, and fundamental strength. So now going to our second Tools sub-tab, let's explore the Videos function. The Videos tool allows you to search and view clips from CNBC and from Reuters for stocks that are important to you. So let's say, for example, you're trying to keep tabs on recent developments on, how about Procter & Gamble. So we're going to come to the symbol box and we're going to enter PG for Procter & Gamble, and the system automatically loads. So let's just choose one. How about we go with this second video, and we're going to come over to the left and click play, and that video streams. So those first two tabs, very quick, easy navigation. The second we're going to spend a little bit more time on. Let's go up to Shared Items. And Shared Items allows you to see charts, scan queries, and other items that you've sent to other users or even that they've sent to you. For example, let's say you wanted to share your analysis of, let's say, support and resistance on a chart of the Russell 2000. So let's go to the charts and let's enter symbol RUT for the Russell 2000. And let's say that we've identified an area of support, and we have our resistance on our chart, and we're ready to share that chart with a friend. Well, the shared function is found right up here at the top of the chart. I'm going to click on that, and all I have to do there is click on Share again, and this creates a shareable link. And that shareable link is also saved in the Tools tab. So let's navigate back to the Tools, and from here we can click on that link that we just created to see that chart. All right, so now let's say we wanted to add something else to our chart analysis. So I'm going to cancel this, and I'm going to go back to the charts, and let's load up, let's say, the RSI indicator. So to do that, I'm going to go to the beaker icon. Let's type in RSI in our menu, and let's add that to our chart. Okay. So let's share this again, but we're going to be careful to check the little button that says Update Previously Shared Item. Now, as a little additional help to ourselves and maybe to the friend we're sharing this chart with, we're going to add a note. And for this example, I'm going to call it Support and Resistance and RSI. Then we just click Share, and that link is created again. Once again, it's been saved to our Tools. So we'll click on Tools, and there's our updated link. And you can also see our note, support and resistance, and RSI. All right, we've covered a lot of information in the space of just a few minutes, so now is a great time to go and explore these new tools on thinkorswim for yourself.